Now let's go and reset Threads Max. Then there is some exercise file that I have prepared for you, and let's close. Here you see that he says runtime is to access to the late object because I closed the plugin previously with an object and there were contributions. Now I'll show you a moment in which case he plays this joke on you. Close the plugin and reopen it. In here at this moment you see that we have these contributions. I close for a moment, there is nothing left. I open it again and you see that there are these. An important thing to understand is that what we have seen inside, for example, shapes, or inside, for example, surveyors, are hidden in here and are objects that we do not see but are present. Let's take an example. I open. In geometries we have, for example, branch. We see it directly here in this location. So branch. So it means that in here there is an object that is this. That was built previously. That has been inserted, then add. Select new geometry in this category, and every time I go to draw an object. Branch. So this kind of branch. He refers to this object that is hidden. Every time I make brush strokes, for example, with this pretty crisp etc., which is a, it means that here there is a section of shapes, which is this. And this section of shapes that is present is the one that we are going to use every time. When we use crisp or, we can also do it, for example, with crisp B or the leaf and so on. So they are all elements. In this case, he does not let me select it because it is probably frozen. If I do, for example, a freeze all, I can select it. And you see that here is a temp drops geometry. Therefore there is a temporal entity. Groups open recursively. So there are subgroups. This is to make you understand a little bit how he is working. And these subgroups have been closed to create this geometry, which we then go to paint very easily and very quickly. I do a reset for a moment. No. Yes. Okay. Obviously when I reset, and I'm going to delete all these elements without first closing the script. He gives me an error message because he no longer actually goes to find those scripts, and he tells me below, look, I can't find those scripts anymore because you reset Threads Max in fact. But if we go inside Poly Detail and close it normally, then we tell it, for example, reset etc. He in this case does not get angry. Okay, so first you open the script, you close the script, and then in case you reset Threads Max, in fact here you see that there is no longer the message of mistake because he said and paint, we finished painting.